Our next set of rhythmic exercises are going to be in 4/4 time, and they're going to involve quarter notes, half notes, and eighth notes. So we're throwing eighth notes into the mix now. What I'm going to do, because I think sometimes it helps to have a sense of subdivision when you're doing these exercises, is I'm going to tap a quarter beat. I think I'll do this for maybe the first half of the exercises, and then I'll leave you without that extra tapped beat, just so you can start getting a grip on separating eighth notes from quarter notes. And as with the others, I want you to have a scrap of paper so you can just note down the types of notes that you hear: half, quarters, and eighths. Okay, so we're starting with a half note. One. Actually, I probably should have played an E flat, but I'll just play how I did it before. 1, 2, and then we're going to do 4 eighth notes. So you can, there's 2 per quarter tick, and then we finished with a half note, but if you wrote a quarter note, that's fine too. So half notes, half notes, eighth, 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 half. So I didn't do the tapping for this one, but let's see if you got it. So we had a quarter note, and then 2 eighths, and then 2 quarters. So all together, I might count it like this: 1, 2, and 3, 4. The next one I'm going to give to you, I'm going to tap. Okay, so we've got quarter notes, quarter, 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 then the eighths, so 2 eighth notes, and we finish with a quarter. If you put a half note or something else to finish, that's fine as well. So the count for that would be something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, so the way that you would notate this is a quarter, 2 eighths, and then a quarter, and then 2 eighths, and basically any other type of note to finish. So the count for that is going to go like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Okay, so we're starting from a quarter note, then 2 eighth notes, and then 2 quarter notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the last one we'll finish, and we'll do the last one with no tapping. So hopefully for this one, we were able to set a nice steady beat with quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So we had quarter, 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 eighth notes, and then we finish with a quarter note. And I want that last one to be quarter because we were doing them all detached and quite staccato. Ta, 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 ta. So you pretty much never see a half note with a staccato on it, which is why we'd want to make sure the last one was indicated as quarter note.